To be sure, the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office is trying this case because the local prosecutor in Genesee County recused himself, citing a conflict of interest. The day was marked by repeated contentious exchanges between defense attorney Frank Manley and assistant Wayne County prosecutor Lisa Lindsay.
But now when we're in the actual case where you have actual evidence as opposed to him pontificating and bloviating, he doesn't want it to be heard. But notwithstanding that, the minute we go off the record and the case is over today, he's going to be out there talking about the lack of evidence and how poor the case is and everything. You can't have it both ways. That is fundamentally unfair.
Lindsay also got into some verbal sparring with Judge Kathy Dowd over perceived favoritism toward the defense attorney. And the judge, who had announced earlier in the day that she wasn't feeling well, had enough.
Don't go down that road.
Well, it's the truth, Judge.
Don't go down that road. I've always said that I'm impartial to him, not impartial to him. I'm not going to believe that.
Well, you don't have to believe it, Your Honor, but the truth is a lie.
Oh. You want to repeat what you just said?
I think the court heard me.
You want to, Deputy? Let's take her back. We're done with this today. Now.
Thank you. You can't, Judge, Pat Muscat for the record. If we could just all settle down for a minute.
I'm not unsettled, Mr. Muscat.
I'm not
it's your attorney, and I have warned her once already that this court is not going to put up with that. Wait a minute, Deputy.
But they're forcibly leading her away, and I don't think we've got.
We don't need to forcibly lead her away.
Okay.
Deputy.
Told you there were fireworks. Judge demanded an apology and received one from the assistant prosecutor. Testimony did briefly resume before adjournment for the day around 3:45 this afternoon. Testimony picks up again tomorrow morning at 9. If convicted of this charge of second-degree sexual assault, Mateen Cleaves could face up to 15 years in prison.
Fireworks going off in that courtroom today, huh?
Big time.
Dave, thanks for the report.